That's not supposed to do that. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Previously. Welcome back! Today we are on day 5 of our Truck Camper Conversion DIY series. If you missed last week, I will leave the link in the top corner. If you want to watch our playlist, the link will be in the description. Thank you so much for choosing our video to watch.
The back of the frame is getting prepared for the bumper. I got to cut the frame back 6-8 inches, fit the new bumper under the back edge of the camper. As you can see, the rear brackets are hanging there for the axle. The axle has moved up. Not its final position yet, it just got cut loose. It has the wrong jack welded to the front. You can see on this side the axle is moved forward. Nothing's bolted in, it's just moved to roughly the position we're going to have it at.
This is what it looks like today. Have to take off cabinet doors. Leave us a comment if you're working on your own camper. We'd love to hear about it. Time to get started. Thinking about what needs to be done. tenement here is hot. Don't touch the ceiling. It's even covered with a tarp too. Started taking cupboards and hinges apart. Here's the mess I created. Now I have to clean it all up and vacuum. I had to cut out the paint that had wrinkled up beside the door frame. Looks moldy there. That's not supposed to do that. It got too dark last night to record all the sanding, but now this wall is mostly done. Sprayed it with some Kills to kill the mold. More cupboards to take apart and take the hinges off. The fridge works.
3 degrees. Down to 3.
Oh wow, from 11 to 3. Awesome.
Yeah.
That's so exciting. Just because it's already painted silver and stuff, right? So that's the weight of all the screws I've taken out so far. The fridge is out now and working, which is great news. Sanding the bench wood that is going to be black as well. We have to take the stove out to properly clean and paint. I painted some cupboards to see how they were going to look. Hit that like button if you enjoyed our video. Got sanding and first coat of paint done.